This is our automatic feeding system. It's made of hot galvanized materials. The feed car has an independent operation model. One feed car can control one raw cage. Look here. This is observation window. It can check the amount of the feed. The feed car adopt fully enclosed design. There must be someone who wants to ask, why use fully enclosed design? That's a good question. It can vanish dust to a great extent and makes the environment of the chicken house better. Come on. This is a V-shaped feed trough, which can make it easier for chickens to eat and reduce waste. And this is feed adjuster. It's an important part of the feed car. During the operation of the feed car, it ensures that all the chicken eat same feed. Okay, let's see next system.